In this video, we're exploring two popular mobile baseball games, the Baseball 9 and Baseball Star. Actually, both offer a fun experience for baseball players, but each has its own style, features, and gameplay strengths. Let's start with Baseball 9. Baseball 9 is known for its fast-paced gameplay and simplified mechanics. It has a more modern, clean look with smooth animations and quick matches. Also, the game focuses on player development and team management, allowing you to upgrade players, customize uniforms, and move up through different leagues. One standout feature is its manual control options. You can pitch, hit, and run manually, which gives you more involvement in each play. It also has a wide variety of gear and skills to enhance player performance, making the experience feel more personalized and strategic over time. Now let's explore Baseball Star. Baseball Star leans more toward a casual style with colorful graphics and easier controls. It offers different modes like League, Challenge, and Event games. The game includes features like autoplay and simulation, which is ideal if you prefer a more laid-back experience. You can still train players, earn rewards, and build a strong team, but the depth in customization and strategy is not as detailed as in Baseball 9. However, Baseball Star does have a solid offline mode, which is great if you want to play without an internet connection. So, if you prefer more control, customization, and competitive gameplay, Baseball 9 is the better option in 2025. But if you want a simpler and more casual experience with fun visuals and easy mechanics, Baseball Star might be a better fit. So both are great, but the best one depends on the style of gameplay you enjoy most.